शाहरुख को ऐसा कौन सा काम है जो ऑलवेज करना चाहिए और कौन सा ऐसा काम है जो कभी कभी करना चाहिए?
मुझे लगता है कि शाहरुख को ऑलवेज हमें एंटरटेन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनसे बड़ा एंटरटेनर मुझे नजर नहीं आता।
शाहरुख को आपने स्क्रिप्ट दिखाई तब आपने कहा था कि आपको शाहरुख की ज़रूरत नहीं, एक स्टार की ज़रूरत नहीं, बल्कि एक फेस और आपकी स्टोरी ही स्टार है। तो क्या प्रमोशन के लिए आपको शाहरुख की ज़रूरत पड़ी?
नहीं, बिल्कुल, मैंने वही कहा। मैंने शाहरुख से ये नहीं कहा था कि मुझे उनकी जरूरत नहीं है। मैंने कहा था उनकी आवश्यकता इस स्क्रिप्ट में एक्टर बतौर नहीं है।
3 words I think is perfectly fit. हमने always पढ़ाई की, कभी कभी bunk किया, always had a crush on someone, कभी कभी succeeded.
One question to them to just put them a little ease, and then of course it's open to you guys entirely. So let me start with Giselle, who's on the side. Giselle, tell me, we've seen you before this. We saw you largely on lots of fashion covers and lots of magazines. You've been a model who's really well known. Is acting that you've taken to really well? Do you enjoy it now as a process? Do you like it?
Yeah, sir, I like it very much. I think I did modeling for 4 or 5 years of my life. And it's a big challenge for me, to face the camera, acting more than just posing. And I'm enjoying it very much.
Ali, you've been the prankster on set. Everybody knows you've been the prankster on set. Tell me, does a day go by without you really living out Sam as a character, because you can do as many pranks as he does?
A day goes by?
With you living it out, because you and Sam seem to be the same person for me.
It's so similar, and it was such a transformation. There was that shade that I hadn't discovered, and now I play a lot of pranks, so you guys should also watch out for something.
She asked somebody about crushes. How many crushes did you have in school?
I had a million crushes. All my teachers, there was one, my English teacher, I had a crush on, and we all do. It's a cliche of life, I guess.
Okay, Zoa. Nandini as a character, I remember your audition when you came. And were you scared or nervous at the first time, or were you like, this is me?
I was scared and nervous because it was my first time ever. But Nandini is so me that the minute you narrated it to me, I was like, I can do this with you.
And did you find it difficult along the way, or was it?
In the beginning, it was very tough because I've never faced a camera before. It was my first time. But then after some time, it was relief because I kept getting into my character more and more.
And now you like that character. I can see your hand is all, it's all, Nandini does these things in school also. She'll defy all the rules and do whatever she can. Satya, are you as sweet as Tariq is in real life, or is there another side of you as well?
Actually, yeah, I'm really sweet to everybody. That's my nature. Whether I like you or not, I'll always be sweet to you.
But do you want to kill them inside your heart? Do you ever think of killing your director or anybody else, or Ali?
Wants to kill?
Not at all. Actually, I would love to, do something to Ali Fazil. He was the biggest prankster. He always used to bully me a lot. But it was a lot of fun while shooting the film. It was like a picnic for us.
शाहरुख को ऐसा कौन सा काम है जो ऑलवेज करना चाहिए और कौन सा ऐसा काम है जो कभी कभी करना चाहिए?
मुझे लगता है कि शाहरुख को ऑलवेज हमें एंटरटेन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनसे बड़ा एंटरटेनर मुझे नजर नहीं आता। वो जिस मुकाम पर, जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पर पहुंचे, वो इसलिए है बिकॉज ही गिव्स हिमसेल्फ 100%। उन्हें अपना गुस्सा कभी कभी लूज करना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने उनको 1-2 ओकेजन्स पर हमसे रिलेटेड नहीं, लेकिन जब कभी अगर हल्का सा भी गुस्सा करते देखा है, तो आई जस्ट फील दैट ही इज अ मैन हु हैज पुट सो मच एफर्ट। हमें लगता है यार ये बड़ी परफेक्ट चीज में ऐसा ना हो तो अच्छा है। अब तो हर तरफ मुझे लगता है ऑलवेज वो सुपरस्टार है। कभी कभी हमें उनका भी प्यार मिल जाता है, तो इट्स गुड इनफ फॉर अस।
हम चाहेंगे कि वो as long as we can see him on screen entertaining us, that's the most important thing I think for us now, because हम बड़े हुए उन्हें देखते हुए, उनके गानों में नाचते हुए, और कभी कभी वाली तो कोई बात ही नहीं है। I would love to see him 24/7. So
I would like Shah Rukh to always do romantic films because he's king of romance. And Kabhi Kabhi, I think he should take a break in life.
I think you guys have covered it. It's perfect. He should always remain the star. He's always been. और कभी कभी हमारे साथ पिक्चर बना लें.
Yeah, I'd like him to always be a star. And when I met him, I was so happy, like to see what kind of a person he is. He's very genuine, and I wasn't expecting him to be like that at all. So somehow it's like I almost want him to be. I know it's gonna sound too much, but a friend. Yeah.
Kabhi he could be a friend as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good Lord.
शाहरुख को आपने स्क्रिप्ट दिखाई तब आपने कहा था कि आपको शाहरुख की ज़रूरत नहीं, एक स्टार की ज़रूरत नहीं, बल्कि एक फेस और आपकी स्टोरी ही स्टार। तो क्या प्रमोशन के लिए आपको शाहरुख की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी?
नहीं बिल्कुल, मैंने वही कहा। मैंने शाहरुख से ये नहीं कहा था कि मुझे उनकी जरूरत नहीं है। मैंने कहा था उनकी आवश्यकता इस स्क्रिप्ट में एक्टर बतौर नहीं है, लेकिन एक प्रोड्यूसर के नाते, एक प्रेजेंटर के नाते, एक स्टार के नाते उनके इस प्रोमो से और इन लोगों से जुड़ने से एक किस्म से लगता है, मैं कहता हूं कि हीरो को लगता है कि इनकी छत्र छाया में हो रहा है। तो ये जब साथ में नजर आते हैं और उस प्रोमो में शाहरुख खान हर एक व्यक्ति की वही बात को लोगों तक पहुंचाते हैं कि हम लोग प्रोमो में बोलते हैं ऑलवेज दिल ये क्यों कहता है, ऑलवेज ऐसा क्यों होता है, ऑलवेज दिल ये क्यों कहता है कि कभी कभी तो वहां चलो जहां दिल को छोड़ा है। फॉर एनी ऑफ अस, एंड मैं दावे से कहता हूं हम सबकी जिंदगी का कोई एक दिन स्कूल का सबसे फेवरेट दिन होता है। यू लुक बैक एट सम मेमोरी फ्रॉम स्कूल. He brings that. He brings the whole generation which says, this film is about my school days as well. That's what he adds to. And that's why in the marketing, yes, we definitely needed his help and we are really enjoying that privilege right now.
There's really a lot of new talent that's been launched in Bollywood, right? From Love Ka The End to Pyar Ka Panchnama that's coming up. In fact, in Red Chillies, you have Student of the Year launching 3 new faces. Again, 4 new faces in Always Kabhi Kabhi. Do you not think this movie might just, the stars might just lose their recognition somewhere since there are so many new people getting launched this year?
There are 2 aspects to stardom. One is the acceptance of a person as a star, right? For that, the first step that they need to do is they need to go out there and perform. I've sincerely seen all of them perform, and each of them has something unique about them, which will perhaps, I think, give to the industry. Because yes, there are lots of people who are being launched, and there are tons of faces that you see, but then there are some faces that bring something more to the table. And I spent a good 6 to 8 months looking for each of these characters. As I'm telling you, I'm a perfectionist as far as that goes, because I've done theatre for 15 years and I was taught never to back down until you found that right person. And I think I found it in each and every one of them. As far as will they succeed or will they not, we made a film which, as I keep saying, is about first times. This is their first time as well. And when they go out, the freshness that they're bringing. See, a lot of young films are trying to be young. I'm very sorry to say, I'm not taking names, but I just find that there's sometimes an attempt to be. While for us, we're a mirror to what kids are today. When they see it, they should see it from the small things that each of them portray. And I think in each of their way, that little genuineness that they bring to the character is unique. They each have a place in the industry, and the reason they are part of a Red Chillies production and the first 4 students before the other students come or whatever is because they are extra special, and कभी कभी अगर देखा तो always appreciate करेंगे. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि they have something to them, you'll see it.
My question to all of you, any nervousness, any jitters that you had when you're all getting such a big platform, any pressures from the King Khan himself of any sort?
When we met him for the first time, he's so sweet, he's so full of warmth, he's so full of energy always. He came and he hugged us, and suddenly we were like, I remember it was 2 a.m. in the morning. And suddenly we were filled with energy again. And he's such a sweetheart, yeah. He's a very sweet person.
Even if we were nervous, his warmth and he was just so sweet and warm to us that our nervousness died out after some time.
He's a great person. I think that sums it all up. He's already there, you've seen him do it all. Yeah, we had a great time. Lovely time.
No pressure.
At the time, always Kabhi Kabhi's theatrical was being shot, and Shah Rukh has done a special appearance for that. News, the rumor mills were abuzz that you actually wanted to have someone else in that theatrical. It's only just before the theatrical was to be shot that you approached Shah Rukh and you told him that I can't really find any other established star, so you mind just coming around and shooting for this one. Is that true?
That is the best piece of fiction I've heard for a very long time. It could make a good script as well. But the truth of the matter, I'll tell you, is this. That initially we had cut 2 theatricals that didn't have Shah Rukh in them. And the reason was that he was away shooting. Suddenly in our marketing team, we were all sitting together. Karuna, Eros, everybody was sitting together. And they said, listen, this film is not only for 14 to 20-year-olds. It's about anyone who's been in school. It's about, gentlemen in grey hair will sit back to me and say, my son talks like that. Right? And when you do that, we wanted to tell a much larger audience about the film. I again remembered the conversation I had with Shah Rukh, saying this film doesn't require a superstar to act in it, but it definitely needs a superstar's halo to tell more people about it. And when Shah Rukh Khan says something, the world listens. So Shah Rukh Khan in the promo was a suggestion that came in the marketing meeting. I knew he was out of town, but thank God for people who can convince and talk. And I guess it just took a phone call to say, can you do this? And he was like, yeah, of course. And when he came, to the credit of the entire team, we knew he was shooting for Dawn. He said, listen, I'd love to do this. Can we do it in a little time? We managed to pull it off, and he was, honestly, if there was going to be a choice, he was going to be the only choice. And when he came, as a writer, I believe, the promo line I wrote myself. And when I was writing it, I wrote it and I said it and I did a dummy. When Shah Rukh said that same line, its impact for me, I promise you, in my life, standing and watching that man say that same line and add that little sigh in between, which brings the nostalgia of school, makes it what it is. And he was the only choice, he is the only choice, and frankly, I think what he's done in the promo is exceptional.